Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a GCash update problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, there's some easy way for you to do so. One would be simply deleting your GCash from your existing device, your existing app, and reinstalling it. You can see my app is already in the process of it. All I did was simply tapping on the second and deleted my app. Okay, and uninstalled my app from my device itself, and I went to App Store, searched GCash for me, and simply started it re-downloading. Now once I have done re-downloading, I should be able to add in all of the information and I should be able to use it. Now where the update problem shows up is if your app is not updated, that means some of the new functions you won't be able to use in your app, or you even might from the constant lagging and some of unnecessary stopping in between. So for that, you have to update your app. Either you can come over here in your App Store, tap on update and update a GCash, or simply reinstall it. That should simply solve out your problem. So this is my solution. This is simply the solution for you all. Hope this helped you, everybody. Hope this helped you, and thank you so much for watching video till the end, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.